So it's getting that time of year again where it's time to get the toys ready to roll. And I'm on Marketplace, and the one thing that I wanted for the boat was a top, but really hard to find one, and I found a used one. It's green, but hey, green and yellow, why not? So I think today we're gonna put that top on. Hopefully it's not gonna be too big of a project. The hardest part I think is gonna be getting in behind here, because I'd like to put nuts and bolts on versus screws, and then there's another one up that goes in here, so I'm going to open this up and see if we can get in here to attach here. Actually, maybe it's got to go up there on the flat, I'm not sure, but we're gonna get into it and figure it out. So let's get it set up. I guess I got to figure out how to hold the top up in the air so that we can see how these fittings are going to go. So let's figure that one out first. But a nice sunny day today. So somehow we got to figure out how to stand this up and hold it up. Oh, this is going to be a challenge for sure. So, somewhere around there, that bolts there, that pulls forward and that keeps the sun off. I say yay. That's gonna bolt there. Yeah. Okay. Everything to be expected. All right. Okay. Now we got to see how these... Wow, this thing is fighting. How the heck am I going to stop that? Maybe I need to mount this on the other side. Let's do that. So I measured from here on the diagonal over there and got 31 1/4. So I marked that here. So that'll put this one right here. Half-inch up, put a hole right there. Nice thing is I can take that, if I can get that cup out, and I can put a nut on the back side if it becomes an issue. Ah, the smell of fiberglass. Oops. Oh, what the heck? Now that thing's probably going to go flying on me again, but okay. Now when that goes like that, we might be good. All right. Oh. Really? Guess I gotta sand those down a bit. All right, why not? Geez, a quick touch on the grinding wheel. Whoops. Drops right in. Ha! That was easier than I thought. Flat blade. So, it's all about getting a good flat mounting surface. Come on. What the heck? I can't tell you how frustrating it is to be right in the middle of a video and you're concentrating on what you're doing, and then your microphone battery goes dead and it doesn't even tell you. So I think from here for the next few clips, we're just going to play some music. Sorry. she is, ready for summer fun. Seems to be sitting pretty flat, pretty much right where we want her. So the idea was, and I just kind of went online, but this bracket here mounts pretty close to the center of the controls, and once you go from there, then everything else sets it up. You want to try and get the roof fairly level if you can, but it's kind of dictated by the length of that post right there, which has been all messed up. I polished it up a little bit, but I don't know, maybe I'll put a new one on, maybe I won't. Anyway, next thing is put her in the water. So I guess actually there is one more little project that we're working on. I'll give you a quick glimpse into the future. This video will be coming out soon, but I'm working on a lift right now, so I got a whole whack of parts and things ready to go, and that'll be in the next one. So until then, have a good one.